Hey everyone, Tomaro Realtor here with a new listing. I've been trying to get in to do a walkthrough video for everyone, and we have been back-to-back showings. So I'm actually here at the crack of dawn, early for Realtor time. The setting is just stunning. It's 3.4 acres off of Old 37 South and Gore Road. So that's the driveway, it takes you out to Old 37 South, but you can't even see it. There's another driveway around the other side, it just wraps around. 750 square feet of decks, custom designed decks. There's 2 levels of decks. Amazing. And it is just adorable and has all kinds of personality. There is a portion of the yard that is fenced. Back there you can kind of see the fence line right there. And then the rest of it's open, lots of woods. There's a chicken coop. I don't know the condition of it, but there is a chicken coop right there, and there is a shed, and it is kind of a story and a half, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, could be 3 bathrooms. Let me stop talking, take you inside. This is the front door. I came up this very nice wide staircase. There's what 7 steps there to this deck landing that then opens up, and it's covered, which is always nice when you're bringing groceries in, to this huge deck space. These are doors to the living room. And then there's a deck above as well that is off of the primary bedroom. Should have brought my morning cup of tea over here. Okay, I'm gonna talk fast because there's another showing that's coming up real soon. But I'm standing at the front door. I encourage you to look at the pictures online. We took that while their furniture was still in here, and they had it set up really nicely. It is a little bit shaded because of the deck overhangs and all of the trees. That means it stays very, very cool in the summertime. Their utility bills are really low. This fireplace here has a wood insert there, and they use that for heat for much of the winter. It actually heats the whole house, but there is also a natural gas furnace. They had a cute little desk here in this corner. So nice big area there. And it's open to, this is an area used for dining. So you have a table here in front of the window, looking out at your woods. That's your view while you eat dinner. And then the kitchen is really cool. It's got this fun backsplash. I think it's like a wallpaper kind of thing, but it's super fun. It's probably peel and stick. There's solid surface countertop, and the floor is a sustainable Marmoleum. If you haven't looked at the Marmoleum products, they're really nice flooring products that are sustainable, but also in really fun colors. All the cabinets all the way up to the top. Dishwasher, gas stove. And then this has a door out to the fenced area in the backyard, which is about a quarter acre of it is fenced. So that's nice if you had pets or children or something. But then the rest of it is open, and you can kind of leave it as natural as you like. Also on this level is a full bathroom. And what we're calling the 3rd bedroom, it was used as an office, but it is a bedroom. There's 2 more bedrooms upstairs. And there's a nice big closet. But again, they use this as an office, so that's why they had shelving in there instead. And then this door right here will go down later is an unfinished basement workshop area. But here we'll go around up the stairs. Top of the stairs is the full bath that will probably service these 2 bedrooms. And then this is the primary bedroom. They had a king size bed in here easily. They actually had it against this wall. This is sort of like a glass shelf somebody built in because of this is a story and a half, so you've got those eaves. So they made really good use of that eave space. So stay with me as I take you into the closet. This is like Narnia, right? You go into the closet. So this is a closet. There's another one over here. But what I want to show you is that they actually wrap around. And while it's not super, super, super convenient, there is tons of storage space back here. And this is the whole upstairs in both of the bedrooms. Ouch. Just hit my head on the... So see, you can see, not super convenient, but you know, suitcases and stuff you don't need very often. Go back in there. Vaulted ceiling in here. Oh, I should probably show you the private deck. How many videos do I have of me bumping my head on things? A lot. There was a good one a couple years ago of a cave. I sold a property with a cave on it. And the whole video was me cursing because I kept bumping my head. Anyways, this is a private deck off of the primary bedroom. You are literally in the treetops up here. And these decks were redone in 2016, so they're solid, done well. As we know, if you've watched my previous videos, I'm not a fan of heights. So me being out here should tell you a lot. This is your view out here. Can I just spend the day here, please? Till all the showings. Just walk around me. I'm just gonna sit out there and read a book. There's one more bedroom up here. The blue room. Similar setup to the other one. This one's just a little bit smaller. You can still easily get a king size bed in here if you wanted to. It's a good at least 15 feet. And this one has the same thing in terms of the closet where it wraps around. There, you can't see it. It's too dark. Sorry about that. But same thing. So you've got storage all back here as well. And I think I have a similar house. My house is similarly shaped with the walls and stuff. I think someone needs to just like build some shelves in there where you just have drawers that come out of the wall, like built in. So it doesn't take away from the square footage of the room. You get what I'm saying, right? Okay, I'm gonna take you down to the lower level, so hang on. This is the basement. There is a garage door, but the current owners have never used it as a garage. They feel like it's more a basement. There's not really that separation between garage and house that we would typically see. So we're not advertising it as a garage. I'm sure it could be kind of repurposed into that. You can come down the stairs and go either way. This is an old wood burning furnace that's no longer in use. There is a gas furnace and then there's the fireplace insert upstairs, but this is not included. But tons of workshop space down here if that's what you want to do. This corner over here, this might be my light or not. So tons and tons of storage. We had some foundation work done by Indiana Foundation Services that comes with a lifetime transferable warranty, guaranteeing that the wall won't move. And that was all recommended by a structural engineer, and that was just done last week. So that's all in great shape. That's a very common thing that we have here in Indiana with the ground that we have. And so it's always nice to see that work done because it's not super cheap. Not super expensive, but not super cheap. This is sort of a laundry room. It is a bathroom. The sellers have never used it as a bathroom. It's very basement-y, although it has been scrubbed from top to bottom. So it's in good shape in that sense, but the washer and dryer are also here as well. So we are not warranting this bathroom, but it is something that is plumbed and probably could be fixed up if somebody really wanted that third bathroom down here. Furnace, some little storage nooks everywhere, closet here, closet there. This door takes you back to the staircase. I'm gonna walk you back around this way. So very clean. This space could also easily be finished to another family room space. The ceilings, other than where the ductwork hangs down, which is still pretty high, that's a good probably 8-foot ceiling. So definitely could be finished off too if you wanted more living space. Can crusher. Who doesn't love a can crusher? And then it takes you back outside to the lovely 3.4 acres. Walk you around this way a little bit too. Simple landscaping, but really lovely. All the stone walls are really pretty too.